I just complete my installation process of Arch Linux. So now I just reboot my whole computer and boot with my external pen drive where I install the Arch Linux actually. So first reboot, first power off. Then press F9 for HP PC. Select your bootable device and just see first option, the SanDisk. Enter the SanDisk. You see here Arch Linux free. Okay, so just enter with Arch Linux. Okay, my PC is just starting. I think there is no problem with installing Arch Linux in my external USB drive. Just this operating system might be slow because my external drive, my pen drive uploading speed is not too fast. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so starting the GNOME display manager. Yeah. Where is my GNOME display manager? It's very slow. It's very slow. It's very slow. Yeah, finally come in. Congratulations! So finally I just boot Arch Linux from my external USB drive, and I not use any Arch Linux official ISO. I need to open the terminal. To find terminal and open it. Oh, it's taken so many time. F50CH. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe to my channel for support me and taking more update. See you again.